Hi everyone. This video, I just want to share with you guys my best day yet. It's a 5-figure day. So on this account right here, I'm up by 10.02k, so 10,200 something. And on my Cobra account, I'm up by 2 grand, I believe. Let me see, Cobra. What the heck? Oh yes, I'm up by 2 grand, which is over here. 2000. So overall, I'm up by 12,600, close to 12,700, but probably after fee and every single thing is probably 12,000 and 400. Probably cost $300 in fees total because I did short some, so it does cost me borrowing fees and some commission as well, but doesn't cost much since I place an order, buy on a bid, and sell an ask, which means I'm adding liquidity to the market. So yes, I just want to share with you guys my current process, and today is actually a very happy day the way I trade it. And a lot of you guys may notice I trade little. I still trade a lot. Okay, it's not like I trade littles. As you guys can see, like 600 order and what is it called, and bunch over here 600 order, probably like around today I trade the most in the whole week, so 68 only. Compared to other week, I'm still trade less, but overall I trade much less nowadays, but my size, I increase it drastically, like when the time is right. Okay, my average size is still around 20-30k, but I take advantage a lot when I believe that the stock will have big bounce and I able to get filled. So that is when the stock like dip down a lot and it's just going down, I start to size in a lot. So yeah, up to 50k. So that's my size when I feel really confident. And those kind of trade normally give me like around 800, which normally my average win would be around like 200, 150, 200, 250, 300, around there. But when those right moment come, my gain would be around anywhere between 700 to sometime 1,000 in just literally couple, in like 2 minutes, in 1 or 2 minutes. So yes, that's a big difference this week. And as you can see, no, as you I cannot see yet because I had to move it over. So this is my current process for this. And some people got lag on Trader Sync. I do not have lag on Trader Sync. I show you guys around the platform later. Oh, I forgot. I gotta show you guys it's a real account. Okay, so right now up 10,224 right here. Just make sure because some new people watch it like, oh, you got fake account. You do not show the top. I hate when people keep doing that to me. I had to prove like every single time. So yeah, overall profit of this year on this account only is 27,000, which is this whole week from the 4th until now. I gained close to 28,000, and on Cobra I gained another around like 5 or 6,000. I forgot, but you guys can see the overall my profit for this week so far in a bit. I will show you guys. So yes, this is this account right here. Profit loss 27,000. That's year to date. I hate how this account for some reason it does not have overall year profit to date like my main account have. So I trade on this account. If you guys follow me on Reddit, you guys probably know why I did not trade another account. Actually, I didn't post that on Reddit, but yeah. So I'm all over the place. But yes, so this right here, let me show you guys that. Let me turn on privacy so I can drag down like always. How do I turn on privacy again? God darn it. What? Okay, yeah, here. Privacy on. There we go. And after that, I can drag you down to show you guys. Okay, not drag over here, drag over in OBS. There we go. As you guys can see, real count. Without real count, you will not have this. Okay, live feed, connected, real-time data, every single thing. Okay, what else? Okay, yes, let's get back to Trader Sync, right? For some people say that Trader Sync did not work well for them, but it worked well for me, and I will show you guys all the statistic of every single thing, which my statistic does not look good, except for the fact that I keep going up. But my like profit and loss ratio is pretty bad. My holding time of winning trade compared to losing trade, bad. But you know, percent, okay, I tell you guys about later. Okay, so yes, this week, right, I'm super duper consistent. I take less trade. If you look at the other week before, you would see my trade closer to 100 or like 80, 100 or something like that, right? but this week, the time I actually trade less, like end of this thing right here, I started good size down, but I trade heavier size, right? I learned that I should trade heavier size when the time is right and be more picky about my trade. Just trade heavier side and do not just trade the not the A plus setup. A plus setup still traded, but do not. I still trade the same side. But when it come to a setup, I would trade much bigger side. That's start coming my gain right here. Even though this is a few slow day. If you trade this week, you notice there's a few slow day, but still because when the moment come, I able to size up, I still make good gain. And on this day, I make the most. I hasn't import the rest of the day yet. I import this much and what is it called? And I was like, I thought I'm not gonna trade anymore, but then it's like, oh man, I hate it. I keep got this FOMO in me, right? Every single time I pass 10,000, which is my goal. I was like, okay, maybe I should go hang out with my family. I go upstairs and I was like, oh, what happened if some stock run? So I came downstairs a little bit, just looking at some stock, like, oh crap. What stock was it running? What stock was it running? I think it's in the afternoon, LMFA. Yes, LMFA start running. I'm like, oh my God, this is such a good opportunity. And I take big size on it. Big size on it when it run and do a little bit pullback on the right moment. And that's when my gains start to hit up to 2K. I think I take one small trade in other stock. I think and I know which one is it. It's FTF. Oh no, it's CNET. But yeah, so this is Trader Sync. This week, let me see how much I up. Let's count 5,000, 5,000, 10, 5,000, 15,500, 21,000, 30,000, 31,000, around 31 plus a 2,000 not in here, 32. So closest to my biggest winning week, which is 33K. So yes, this is pretty comparable to this week right here, which 7, 7, 8, 4, and there's a 5 right here, a 5 and a 5 right here. So around 33,000. So pretty close to my best winning week just because of today. And I realized that let's see if I can able to continue into next week and keep the size, because I really feel confidence when I take big size now. I feel like before I feel all nervous, like, oh my God, I'm such big size. I start to panic, right? But right now, I'm more confident because in my head, I was like, this is an A plus setup. You just gotta stick with it. And I don't look at the profit. Don't look at the profit and loss at all, and just execute it just like normal trade. Instead of clicking 500 each time like I normally do on the thing, I click 1,500. So I click 3 times by 4,500, and yeah. So and when I get out 1,500 each time. So I literally triple my size when it's right play. Basically, so that's the main key. And let me show you guys around Trader Sync, and let's go over my stat. And I will update you guys what my travel plan is, which is next week I'm traveling to Thailand. Yeah, you guys will see me in Thailand next week. But yeah, hopefully, if I did, I still need to do a COVID test on Tuesday, and I get my result back on Wednesday. And if I did not get COVID positive, let's cross my finger. But yes, then I will able to fly to Thailand. I'm pretty excited about it, and yeah, see you guys there. Vietnam not opening up to me, so we just go to Thailand, chill there for a couple months, then we can head to Vietnam. Let's see how I trade there. I will update you guys. I will do more vlog kind of style to show you guys like trading lifestyle while traveling, right? I don't think many people actually travel and trade and actually update regularly, so that would be cool, right? Because Ross is trading in his home. Basically, everyone's just trading their own comfort zone and barely travel. Team Psych is another story, but doesn't count. What is it called? Where is it? Overview, right? So here my embarrassing stat. Okay, it's not. Look at okay. So in beginning, right? I only making what is it? Up $500 each day. Start slowly increasing, and right here, around June when I. Okay, maybe this graph is too spread out, so it doesn't look. You can't see the full picture. So it looked like I'm about a parabolic, right? I thought really, because at this rate I was growing. I really sizing up. And around July, which is around here, I was like, oh crap, it's so hard to size up now because I did not know the way yet. So right now I actually just figured out the way to size up. But yeah, so right here, I was like, oh crap, I'm done. And the market is dying down too. The market died down drastically, at least for me. Like the way I trade is completely got killed. Not completely got killed, but I was not able to make as much money. So I thought the chart would be like this. So I would reach this level around what is it called? Around what time is this? This would be August. I will reach this level about the end of August, but it take me this long, but still whatever, right? So right now I'm up by cumulative return 446,000. So yes, so here's all my stat. Let's go over all the stat. Oh, I probably earn a little bit less because Cobra were not able to import, what is it? Borrowing fee. And my borrowing fee is actually quite a bit, so a couple $1,000 less overall for the thing. So yeah, probably 440. No, maybe a little bit more. Probably cost 2,000 only, 2,000 or 3,000 in borrowing fee. So yeah, it's not account borrowing fee, so a little bit less than this. So let's go over the profit now. Biggest profit. Whoa. Biggest profit, one winning trade is $2,000. I don't even remember that trade. Maybe I do, but because maybe is it biggest return profit? $2,700 in one trade. Oh, I thought it's only 1,700. I forgot what trade it was. From the 17. That's weird. I don't remember it. Maybe it's lucky. Could be probably lucky because it cannot be that much. Okay, biggest loser. I know. I remember that. That was pretty bad. I remember this day. Oh, actually, it was supposed to be around here, but I guess that didn't consider. This is one biggest loss because of I forgot what was the ticker. I was shorting it, and I revenge buy dip it because right after I shorted, it spiked up so hard. Then I start to okay, I cut my loss, and after that, I started become long it, and I just hold it. That's the first time I hold for 40 minutes, and it burned me bad. Okay, first time I ever hold a stock for 40 minutes. I was about to hold overnight. Luckily, I did not hold overnight. Otherwise, it would be more. It would be like $15,000 loss or something like that. But yeah, I closed my eye and cut loss around like 6:30 p.m. Oh my God. After the market closed, I think I hold for 1 hour or something. Oh my God. I was stubborn. Sometimes it's like that. My return, here's embarrassing. Profit loss ratio 0.3 to 3. So let's say, okay, so let's say I win $3, right? But I lost $10. Basically what it means. Every time I win, I only win $3. Every time I lost $1. So basically my winning would be like, if I win 300, my losing trade would be 1,000, which is bad, okay? But most people is like, oh my God, that's not sustainable. I have so many argument with people about this already. People say it's not sustainable, but they don't understand. You cannot just look at profit and loss ratio. You also had to combine it with the winning rate. So I win close to 90%, right? I think right now I probably 90%. Let's try last 7 day. Apply. Okay, people say 92% last 7 day. Look at that. 92%. So 92% last 7 day. Look at that winning rate. But most people don't understand. Oh, and the profit loss ratio is not bad either. 0.6 compared to 0.3. I guess before I take much. Oh yeah, and also before I take profit much faster, and now I let it ride a little bit more. I kind of patient, a little bit more patient before I hold it within 15 seconds. 10 second, 15 second, 20 seconds, something like that. Now I let it hold a little bit and let it ride a little bit so I can enjoy the full momentum. So it's not bad, right? So let's go over this. So every time I win 600. Every time I lost 1,000, right? People say that's not sustainable. And because they do not understand, you have to combine with the win rate. Because imagine, let's say my win rate is 90%, right? 90%. That means out of 10 trade, I win 9 trade. Okay, so 9 trade, I win $6. That make it $54, right? But I lose 1 trade, which is $10. So guess what? 54 minus 10, I'm still up around $44. Okay, put a 0 on it. put a zero on couple zero on it. So yes, keep adding on over time. I'm still sustainable. People don't understand that. People keep thinking that, okay, if my win rate is 50%, then yes, my profit loss ratio is horrible. Even my win rate 60%, my profit loss ratio is pretty bad too. So yeah, but since my win rate is so high, profit loss ratio doesn't matter. It does matter, but still, overall, in the long run, I'm still gonna make money. Basically, yeah, my win rate this week been so good because, like I told you guys, I focus more in A plus setup. That's why I'm able to get 92% win rate compared to my. Okay, my other one is not bad either. It's still 88% win rate for overall. 87% win rate or something like that. But yes, since I focus in more A plus setup and trade less and bigger size, I'm able to make more in a slow market. It's kind of weird, right? And people ask me, how do I get feel in slow market? Is a secret. Because I don't try to time the bottom anymore, but I do try to time the bottom. I do get in most of my trade, fast trade in the bottom, but then when my big size come, it's not for bottom. My big size is for a bounce, a big bounce. It's just like a little bit of position trading, but it's still scalping. It's not like in and out quick. It's hold it a little bit more. But yes, let's look over some metrics. Look over some other metric. Let's look at the whole time, right? Let's exit this out. So other metric that's not great is, okay, I show you guys. Other metric, where the metric I'm bad about. Okay, this right here. Okay, average winner whole time 1 minute. Average loser whole time 11 minutes. Okay, now I don't hold any stock more than 5 minutes. Like I can't remember one time I hold losing stock for more than 5 minutes. That was back in the day, okay? That was back in the day. Let's see. Last 7 day. Apply. Okay, average winner whole time 47 seconds. Average loser whole time 2 minutes. So yes. So yeah, I don't remember holding stock for more than what is it called? More than 3-4 minutes or anything like that. So yeah, my average holding time is around between 1 to 2 minutes, winning or losing. I always hold loser more or longer. Maybe not a great thing, but yeah, that is it. And give you guys a quick update. And yes, next week I will be in Thailand. Probably give you guys update in Thailand and every single thing. And it's not anything sunshine rainbow because I will be quarantined for 2 weeks. So yeah, I will be in my quarantine hotel for 2 weeks. And man, quarantine hotel is such a ripoff, right? If you get a regular hotel in Thailand and without the quarantine procedure or anything like that, the whole hotel would cost you a really good hotel would cost not even hotel. It's like a house or whatever. A pretty good one is probably cost you 1,000 something, which 1,200 something like that for a whole month. This hotel for our family costs 5,400, and that's just in a decent price, not a luxurious or anything like that. For 15 days, freaking ridiculous. And yeah. And it's not a guarantee we're able to go yet. And we had to pay the hotel fee already before we even know that we accepted to go, which we did got an accepting letter today. And now we just had to pass COVID test. That is it for this week, guys. Hopefully you guys did good as well. And hopefully you guys continue to improve your progress. And hopefully next week I will continue to have my 5-figure day. Have a great day, you guys. And